Welcome to Judalicious. Today we're going to give you a little tour of our shop and have an interview with Jared Johnson, who has built all of our beautiful custom furniture. Just a little close-up of the incredible woodwork he's done here. Happy customer. Designed this bar as well as the shelving and all of our benches. And here's Jared himself. Hi Jared, how are you?
Good.
Great. Jared Johnson is the founder of Outerlands Design. He designs and builds custom furniture, interior design, and buildings using sustainable practices. Jared, I have a few questions for you. What is your background and what got you started in this business?
I started as a builder when I was young, to paper school, and just because I like building. And I went to college as an engineer and received a degree in engineering physics. And when I got out of school, I went to work in the engineering field as a civil engineer in Colorado for La Plata County, and I was working on road and bridge design. And I really got kind of bored with it. There's a lot of looking up values in tables and regurgitating what people before it processed. And I was kind of bored, and I really loved building, so I went back into the building field again for a little while, and then started working on my master's in architecture as well. And over the course of that, I decided that I really just worked best as a builder, and I like being hands-on. And so I've morphed my company into design and build, where I still do, I do all the building and
Cool. How did you get started in this area? We're in the Sunset District of San Francisco.
I moved to the Sunset. I was drawn to the ocean, and I really like being close to the sea. I like San Francisco. There's a lot to do around California and Northern California. It's easy to get out of the city and get into some amazing places, and the city also provides for some good work, a creative environment, lots of creative people. It's the best of both worlds.
Fabulous. So where do you find this wood that you recycle and turn into gorgeous furniture?
So my practice, I make sure all my wood is sustainably sourced, and so for wood such as the partition and the bar counter, which Eliza will show, those are from windfall trees that blew over, redwood trees that blew over and were brought in off somebody's yard and milled into these slabs. And then for the rest of the wood, I find salvaged hardwood that people aren't able to use because of a number of different reasons, but everything is salvaged. The steel legs are salvaged, so nothing was cut down. It was all material that was decaying, saved from the landfill.
That's really wonderful. How do you seal the wood?
So on sealing it, I also try to seal it organically, naturally, and I use beeswax and orange oil to seal the wood. All natural seal.
Wow, that's incredible. Is the upkeep difficult?
No, it's just like any other oil. Every few years you should reapply the oil depending on how much traffic it gets.
Wow, that's great. And what about your pricing? Is it expensive to have this custom furniture designed for me?
It's surprisingly affordable.
Great.
As the design and build, I can cut the cost considerably because instead of having an architect design it or an interior designer design it and then a builder follow through with it, I do both, the design and build, so I can cut the cost.
Great. Well, it sounds like you're definitely the way to go for any household furniture or interior design needs that I might have. Well, thank you so much, Jared, and we absolutely adore all of the hard work you put into the furniture here at Doodalicious. We'll go ahead and give you guys one more tour. See the intricate detail here. Bench. Here's again the bar that he's done. He's followed the natural curve of the piece here. And then just one more time, the partition he designed here, and this gorgeous shelf. Thank you so much, Jared.
Thank you.
Let's take it back.